I'm Jeff Claytor, President. The purpose of this video is to explain the company's continuous improvement process called Lewis Lean. Let's start by talking about why continuous improvement is so important to us as a company. Our vision statement reads, Lewis is the builder of choice with the best talent in the industry. We provide construction services of exceptional value for our clients. And it's really this value proposition that is our calling card. It's what differentiates Lease Crutcher Lewis from the dozens of other competitors in our region. So when we talk about value, we want to talk about value from the client's perspective. Does the client value it? If not, in lean terminology, we call that waste. So lean is identifying waste and then eliminating it through continuous improvement. What this video will do is take a real-world example and walk you through the Lewis Lean continuous improvement process.
Hi, I'm Ashley Frederick, and I'm the project manager on Global Innovation Exchange Project in Bellevue, Washington. We call it GIX. GIX is a 5-story structural steel building with 2 levels of below-grade parking, totaling 80,000 square feet, and 3 levels of above-grade classrooms, maker spaces, and design studios totaling 100,000 square feet. On this project, we were able to collaborate with our subcontractors to identify and eliminate waste through innovation. Chris will share that idea with you, and I'll come back shortly and explain how to enter that new idea into the Lewis Continuous Improvement Log.
Hi, I'm Chris Trentham, Project Superintendent on GIX. And when we were planning our excavation and shoring work with our subcontractors, our reinforcing steel sub identified a waste. Our below-grade shoring system is a soil nail system with shotcrete facing. And this work sequence is to excavate down in 5-foot intervals, install soil nails, and then follow with the installation of reinforcing mesh covered by 4 inches of shotcrete. And inherent with placing rebar, there's always a fall protection hazard. And typically the iron workers will tie off to the rebar cage. And this condition creates a safety hazard because the rebar cage is unstable until it's tied off to the shoring system behind. And in addition to all the other important reasons to proactively manage safety hazards, we understand that injuries represent waste, and injuries consume resources without adding any value to the client. And we immediately began brainstorming on how to address this waste through continuous improvement and pre-planning. And our ironworker foreman came up with a brilliant idea of embedding a number 4 hook within the shotcrete shoring system, and these hooks are tied off to the mesh within the shoring system itself. And we were able to install these hooks as we progressed down with the shoring system, and we had an immediate means of tying off for our workers and stabilizing the reinforcing cage and making it safe for our iron workers to land elevated rebar cages as well. And this system also saved hundreds of hours for Lewis in the field because we weren't post-installing anchors after the shoring system was done. This was all achieved during the excavation and shoring phase.
I see these kinds of ingenious ideas happening all the time throughout the company. The problem has been that it's usually just the immediate project participants that get to realize the benefits of the idea. So what we've done is we've created a continuous improvement log that'll allow us to share these great ideas across the company. Ashley will walk you through how that log works now.
The first thing you want to do is navigate to My Lewis. On the right-hand margin, you will see links for Lewis Lean. Click on Enter New Improvement Idea. You will have a form pop up that is linked to our Smartsheet log that resides on the cloud and is accessible by all employees. When entering an idea, the system defaults to New. New items are monitored by the Lean Committee monthly, and someone will provide you support as necessary. It's helpful and easy to upload a document to help describe the problem and propose solution. Click Submit. You've now successfully entered an idea for the Lean Committee to review. As you work through your continuous improvement idea, you may want to add or revise the information you originally submitted. To do that, start once again on the My Lewis homepage, but this time click Continuous Improvement Smartsheet. If you don't have a Smartsheet account, contact the IT department for an invitation. Now with the log open, you can see we have a lot of great ideas. Now I could scroll through looking for my idea, but it's much faster to either sort the column or search by keyword. You can see the information I originally entered into the form has been automatically added to the spreadsheet. From here, I may want to provide supplemental information. If you want to add a file, click here. If you want to add a comment, click here. Team members can be added in this field as well. The other fields are used by the Lewis Lean Committee to monitor, provide support, and create corporate standards as appropriate. When you're done editing the sheet, make sure to press Save in the top left corner. That's it.
There are a lot of really good reasons for documenting our continuous improvement work. Perhaps the most important is that it allows us to share great ideas across the company. At any time, an employee can go into the Smartsheet, put a keyword in the search bar box, and learn from all the great work that has happened previously. The other reason is because it really enforces our brand as a company. Being able to use these real-world examples helps reinforce that Leach Crutcher Lewis provides unsurpassed value for our clients. So, our expectations of you as an employee is to identify waste in the system, eliminate it through continuous improvement work, and then document both your successes and your failures on the continuous improvement log. I hope you have fun with this. Doing lean work is a lot of fun, it makes your life easier, and it helps us reinforce our value proposition. I can't wait to see all the great ideas.